Yes, my people, once again, big up on yourself. You don't know. This is the Brawling Stan Vlog News Report round here. Remember that. Right about now, we're going to talk about my artist, great artist, legendary artist, dancehall music. We're going to talk about Bountykiller. Big up yourself, my general. You understand? Me have to drop this video because plenty people still don't know about where the foundation of Bountykiller career has begun. So we're gonna do a little bit of research on this one so you can get a full detail about what's going on with Bountykiller. Let's tune in.
Bountykiller, whose real name is Rodney Basil Price, is a Jamaican dancehall and reggae artist. He was born on June 12, 1972, in Kingston, Jamaica. Bountykiller is known for his aggressive and energetic style of delivery, as well as his powerful and often controversial lyrics. Bountykiller rose to prominence in the early 1990s during the height of the dancehall music scene in Jamaica. He gained a reputation for his confrontational and combative style, often engaging in lyrical clashes with other artists. His rivalry with fellow dancehall artist Beenie Man became legendary, with both artists engaging in numerous lyrical battles and clashes on stage. In 1993, Bountykiller released his debut album titled Jamaica's Most Wanted, which featured hit songs like Copper Shot and Down in the Ghetto. The album established him as one of the leading figures in the dancehall genre. Throughout his career, Bountykiller has released several successful albums, including My Experience in 1996, which featured the hit single Living Dangerously with American rapper Barrington Levy. He has collaborated with numerous international artists, including the Fugees, No Doubt, and Mobb Deep. Bountykiller's music often addresses social and political issues, reflecting the realities of life in Jamaica. He has been vocal about the need for social change and has used his platform to advocate for the rights of the marginalized and oppressed. In addition to his musical career, Bountykiller has also been involved in philanthropic work. He established the Bountykiller Foundation, which focuses on providing educational opportunities and resources for underprivileged youth in Jamaica. Bountykiller's impact on the dancehall genre and his contribution to Jamaican music has earned him numerous accolades and awards. He has won several prestigious awards, including the MOBO Award for Best International Reggae Act and the Irama Award for Best Dancehall DJ. Today, Bountykiller continues to be an influential figure in the dancehall and reggae music scene. He remains an iconic and respected artist, known for his powerful stage presence and thought-provoking lyrics. Some popular songs by Bountykiller include 1. Down in the Ghetto, 2. Benz and Bima, 3. Living Dangerously, featuring Barrington Levy, 4. Look, 5. Sufferer, 6. Warlord Walk, 7. Cellular Phone, 8. Fed Up, 9. Anytime, 10. Can't Believe Me Eyes, 11. Eagle and the Hawk, 12. It's a Party, featuring Coco T, 13. Smoke the Herb, 14. No Superstar, 15. Mama's Love, 16. Seek God, 17. Coppershot, 18. Suspense, 19. Bulletproof Skin, 20. Worthless Bois. These are just a few examples of Bountykiller's extensive discography. He has released numerous albums and singles throughout his career, each showcasing his unique style and lyrical prowess.
Yes, my people, once again, big up on yourself. You don't know. So this is the Brawling Stan Vlogs News Report where we carry the vlogs them around here, where we talk about entertainment, music. I will just keep it real. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest.